you know, giving you some talk on different techniques for an educational video here now. So just go along the edges here, and obviously, you know, now that I'm pushing, I know that now that I'm pushing, it's high, and the cement starts to flow and fill up the whole tile. So that's the magic. Okay, sponge it up, try and keep it as clean as possible. So tomorrow there's less scraping of the joints and so on. Okay, and then I still like to get my margin trowel, go along the edge, make sure that all the edges are full with this multi-pin set. Okay. So I'm happy now that this towel could stay that way because it's not going to sink. It's full and it's powerful, long lasting. Okay. So again, I'll put my purple 332s here in the corner. Okay. So there's no way we can go crooked. Okay. Squeeze my clips down. And once I'm done here, we'll take a little walkabout here and we'll show you the kitchen, hallway entrance, laundry room on this whole main floor that we've done. So basically I have all my clips, my spacers, my whatnot, all nearby so I don't have to get up and get tired always grabbing, lifting, getting up and running around. Get all prepared and ready. Get my rubber mallet here, it's handy. Just push in. Very sweet. And it's straight. So all your joints are all nice and even. All your lines will end up going nice and straight. Okay? The next thing what I'll do is we have our aluminum straightedges. This is all aluminum. We just put it along the edges here. Okay? Just to make sure. Give it a little tap so I know this whole line is very, very straight. I have no issues. And if there are, you know how to correct them. Okay? So this is how we pull our straightedge on the dry pack and getting all our floors straightened. They come in 16 feet long, and we cut to suit them. 12, 15, we can cut them at 8. Depends on what size you're at. So we do have those already for different sizes. Okay. So now basically I am bubble level. Okay. We are straight. There are no waves underneath. The level is sitting flat. The bubble is very level, and I'm all set to continue on. Knowing that my installation is all good. So I'm going level this way, I'm going level that way, or if on certain jobs you can, at least you're going straight, lipless, nice, smooth, shiny sheet of glass floor here. Okay? So give us a call at 416-937-8115, and we'd love to come over and give you all the good advice. Make sure that you know what your project is going to be started right, and basically this is the way we continue all our jobs in solving issues and so on. Layout, how much the dry pack costs, how much the installation will cost. So I'm just gonna do a walkabout. Again, give us a call at 416-937-8115. That is our number. You can reach us anytime, text us or a message, and we'll come on over in your commercial or residential homes, kitchen, bath, basements. So So this is leading into the kitchen. I'm just gonna do a walk around. So these homeowners aren't home now. They're getting their place all renovated. Okay. So we are in here now for installations. So you can see this is the kitchen part. That's the floor. Again, it's a 24 by 24 porcelain. Marble look. Caligata is the name of the tile. So as you can see, you could zoom in, you can look at all the joints, nice and straight. 332s again. It's your choice on how thin or how big they're gonna be. We have pre-cut everything around here so we can start installing. So you can see the dry pack underneath. There's the wood. There's either going to be a wood finish or we're going to finish it with marble and so on. Going in here where the laundry room is, pretty much all finished. We did this yesterday, so now we pre-cut all the tiles so we can install them. Okay, as you can see where the vent is, there's about an inch of dry pack. It's actually 1 3/8. So it depends on the floors of each individual home or commercial. Here again, see the air vent. It is much thicker here as you saw in the area that I was working at. So we prepared and pre-cut all of this so we can walk on the tile the next day and install. So hopefully this is an educational video, helpful for you all. Give us a call again at 416-937-8115, and this is the way we've been doing this for the past 32 years of tile installations, and we feel confident that our floors are always more solid, more straight, and you get a long life with this type of tile or any size tile, bigger or smaller. This kitchen is laser level, so now when the cabinets go on, the cabinet guys can set everything just on top of the tile and don't have to shim or anything because, you know, it's out of a level by 1/2 inch or 3/8 and so on. Again, I'm gonna let you go. Look at our other videos of before, middle, and after at prestigetileinstallers.ca, and give us a call at 416-937-8115, and hopefully all the videos that you see on the site will help you out in seeing what you can get at your place. So what's on the video is what we can offer you in your place. Thank you. Take care.